because he'll like guides you or something.
Ooh, look at good young princess. Hello, everybody. I see you love that hat. If you are new to this
Johnny!
I'm an
In
expert.
Gorilla Tag, whenever I try to
Okay, so if you go into settings, let's see, there's language, print density, I believe it's print density. If you see here, it looks like you can only choose between 1 through 3, which in the beginning was disappointing. But if you click down one more, there's a hidden number 4, and that is the highest quality print density you're gonna get. So it's kind of hidden, but there it is.